It's time to hear from Caleb, a junior game design major and user experience design minor from South Holland, Illinois. Game design at Bradley is often ranked among the best in the country and even the world, with graduates landing at places like Blizzard Entertainment, Obsidian Entertainment, and Warner Brothers Games. Tell us all about it, Caleb. Take it away.
That's me. Thanks, Alex. I just discovered Bradley University when I was a senior in high school. I was going down a crazy rabbit hole of Google searches at 2 in the morning, looking up things like, what are majors that have to do with video games? What is game design? And finally, what is Bradley University? I'm in my 3rd year, and I've come full circle since that search. Since I started here, I've made over 10 completed video games from scratch. And our classes aren't just with other game design majors. All of our game production classes are mixtures of game design, user experience, game art, computer science, and animation majors, all working together to make a game, which is exactly how it'll be in the field. Coming together with students from all these different majors builds a special type of connection that isn't found in a lot of other programs. I'm also an RA of one of the honors floors. We're taught extensively as RAs how to create a safe, welcoming, and inclusive environment for all of our residents. Getting to know these new waves of residents throughout the semesters is always so much fun. Being an RA has challenged me to solve problems and take on extra responsibilities, but it has also given me a community of amazing friends. I first came to Bradley University to make a couple of games and then leave with a piece of paper that says, this guy is really good at making video games. But I've accomplished so much more. I'm in the honors program, played on a varsity esports team, I'm a tour guide, I'm even on TV right now. And I've also stayed up till 5 in the morning playing video games with some amazing friends. And you can do so much more too at Bradley. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Caleb. Doing more is a common thread of the Bradley experience, whether that's through interdisciplinary learning opportunities or fostering inclusive environments with peers and mentors. From the programs that bring people from different backgrounds together to the student organizations that do the same, you're bound to find your people at Bradley. Thanks again, Caleb.